Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence could actually make our food healthier and tastier? I know it sounds like science fiction, but the truth is, AI is already changing the way we eat, cook, and even discover new flavors. Let's talk about something called GLP-1. If you're into health news, you've probably heard about GLP-1 receptor agonists. These medications are game changers for weight management and diabetes. But here's a wild thought. What if AI, specifically the new GPT-5, had been around earlier? See, GPT-5 isn't just smarter than its predecessors. It's like having a super detective for health data. It can scan thousands of clinical trials, research papers, and patient outcomes in seconds, picking up patterns that human experts might miss. Imagine if it had access to all the data on GLP-1, trials, real-world patient results, even unpublished findings. With that kind of brainpower, GPT-5 could have flagged GLP-1's benefits for more than just diabetes, maybe even for heart health, brain function, or overall metabolism, way before it hit the headlines. It might have even predicted new ways to use these medications or spotted side effects early, giving doctors and patients a head start. But how does this translate to what's on your plate? AI isn't just about medicine. It's also about food innovation. Imagine an AI-powered app that customizes recipes based on your health needs, preferences, and even your DNA. Want to lower your blood sugar but still crave something delicious? AI can suggest ingredient swaps, optimize cooking methods, and help you discover flavor combos you'd never think of. Let's take it a step further. AI can analyze huge food databases, everything from the nutrients in kale to the perfect spice blend for roasted carrots. It can help food companies invent snacks that are both healthy and crave-worthy, or help chefs craft menus that maximize nutrition without sacrificing taste. And because GPT-5 is trained to rely on evidence, not just trends, it's less likely to fall for health fads or spread misinformation. That means more trustworthy info when it comes to feeding yourself and your family. So, while AI won't replace your taste buds or grandma's secret recipe, it's quickly becoming an invaluable sous chef, helping us eat better, smarter, and yes, more deliciously. The future of food is bright, and with AI on our side, it's going to taste amazing. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, keep eating well, and let's see where this tech-powered food journey takes us next.